In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a domain and subdomain in Leadpages. Whether you're new to Leadpages or just looking to streamline your domain management process, I'm here to guide you through every step. So, let's dive right in. First, open your preferred web browser and type Leadpages into the search bar. From the results that appear, choose the first one or the one with the URL leadpages.com. This will take you to the official Leadpages website. Once you're there, look for the login option, usually found at the top right corner of the page, and click on it. Next, you'll need to enter your login credentials. That's your email address and password associated with your Leadpages account. Hit the Login button once you've entered your information correctly. Now that you're in your Leadpages account, you should see a menu on the left-hand side of the screen. From that menu, select Domains. This is where we'll manage our domain and subdomain connections. In the Domains section, click on the button that says Connect a Domain. This is where the process of linking your domain or subdomain to Leadpages begins. You'll need to input the full domain or subdomain you intend to connect. For instance, if you're looking to link a subdomain, it might look something like subdomain yourdomain.com. Once you've typed it in, click Continue to move forward. At this point, Leadpages will provide you with two connection options: automatic or manual. If your domain provider is supported by Leadpages, the automatic option is quite convenient. It allows you to log in directly to your provider's account from Leadpages and authorize the connection. This method helps streamline the process significantly. However, if you need to proceed manually, Leadpages will supply detailed instructions for integrating. This information typically includes values, like a name record, that you will need to enter into your domain registrar's DNS settings. Here's how you can do that. Log in to your domain registrar's website and navigate to the DNS settings section. Locate the place where you can add a name record for your subdomain and input the values provided by Leadpages. This crucial step essentially tells your registrar where to direct traffic for your domain or subdomain. Once you've made these DNS changes and saved them, it's time to return to Leadpages. Keep in mind, updating DNS records isn't instant. The entire connection process might take up to 48 hours to fully propagate and reflect the changes across the internet. And there you have it. You've successfully added a domain and subdomain to your Leadpages account. If you have any questions or run into any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for help. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful.